I was diagnosed with malignant melanoma in 2016. Got very lucky in that it was all dealt with, it was removed, and we got it all. Following that diagnosis, I see a dermatologist every 2 years. And it was actually my dermatologist who noticed me putting my socks on and really struggling just to get them on. And she referred me for x-rays. So the x-rays came back showing severe bilateral osteoarthritis. My radiologist told me I had the hips of a 75-year-old. Within 6 months, I was going for the left hip replacement, and then 6 months later, the right hip replacement. And when I heard that I was going to be unable to do what I love doing for 6 months, it was distressing. I knew that without the ability to live the active lifestyle that I enjoyed, I knew that my life would have changed, not for the better. So I really didn't have any option but to put my best foot forward when it came to recovery. 3 weeks, I was back at the gym doing my physio exercises. 5 weeks, I was back at work. And then within 6 months, I was hitting new PRs on my back squat, on my deadlift, and my snatch. It was really my athletic ambition that fed my recovery. Working in an intensive care unit with patients, their families, it's very easy to observe what they're going through and their struggle in their healthcare journey, and then turn around and look at your own struggles or frustrations and almost invalidate them, because you take that stance of, who am I to complain about hip pain when I've got these patients going through what they're going through? And I think it's important to be kind to yourself and remind yourself that yes, someone somewhere is going through something worse, but that doesn't invalidate your experience or your frustration. I think now my athletic ambition is just to never again take for granted the ability to do the things that I love doing and do them pain-free and injury-free.